Hey, so as you guys can see, EURUSD is kind of waiting for this one to trigger, not trigger, I'm sorry, reach the profit target that I had set for the previous pivot point. It's no longer a picture. I'm only showing the most recent two. I can actually do that real quick for y'all. So my profit target was the S1 level here. Or actually R1 since we're bearish. And I was hoping to make about 2%, so 2.04% on this play. Unfortunately, we're kind of out of steam on this position. As you can see, the next day's pivot is very much almost even. It's no longer like an inherently better than one-to-one situation. There's no pullback showing that we're going to continue going lower. And just the shape overall, if I look at this triangle situation we got going on here, this doesn't tell me that this is a trade I need to stay in. This tells me this is a trade that's um, just price action wise pretty much done. Maybe looking to change directions. Um, yeah, I'll wait for a better time to get back in. Now, there might be a situation where this breaks to the downside. It breaks this, the bottom, kind of a double bottom situation going on here, not really defined, but it breaks this level, so to speak, and goes further down. MACD is kind of set up not really that much for it to drop lower. Um, but who's to tell what'll happen here? Really, what I want to point out is I'm getting out of this, not because I'm scared or I don't want to pay attention to it anymore or anything like that. It just literally has ran out of steam, is what it seems like, and so I'm going to get out where we're at now, which is going to put me at 1.2%, and that's fine. So there you go. Nothing crazy. It's fine. You don't absolutely knock all of them out of the park. You know what I'm saying? And that's kind of the case here. Um, yeah, but still, remember this is very effortless trades, and we made 2.76% off of these two little quick in and out type of trades. Um, you can't be mad at that. So there we go. Peace.